The purpose of this video is to be able to get data for your CAP review and progress report out. The first set of questions on page 4 of this document ask about demographic information, total enrollment, and total enrollment of historically underserved students. Historically underserved students refer to Black, Hispanic, Native American, and Pacific Islander students. To get to the admin dashboard, I go to the drop-down menu and click on Administrator's Dashboard, and then I need to make sure that I click Go. You're going to use your same username and password that you use for email and log in. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a slightly new look. They have Demographics tab, Discipline tab, Reports. If your school is not automatically selected, go ahead and select your school, apply changes, and then make sure to click on Go. From there, I'm going to select demographics to be able to answer the 2 demographics questions. This first graph right here tells me my total enrollment, 434. To get the specific information for total population of historically underserved students, I'm going to click on this arrow and then go to Zoom with Detail and select. And as I scroll down, I'll be able to count up the number of Native American, Hispanic, and Black students at Atkinson School as our example. So I've answered the first 2 questions. I'm going to select back. So I go back to my home page, and my next set of questions are about reading data. If I'm at a K-8 school, K-5, or 6-8, we have a couple of questions we're going to use our fall benchmarking assessments of DIBELS, EDEL, or UZ-CBM. And the first 2 questions are about what percentage of total population is performing at grade level, and what percentage of historically underserved. So as I go to the dashboard, I'm going to click on Reports, and I'm going to scroll down to look at the literacy assessments. And the report that I need to answer these questions is Reviewing School-Wide Outcomes. As you select it, make sure you're looking at fall to winter, your school, and then 15-16. So as I open this up more, here's where it says fall. And this is the percentage of students who are low risk. So I have historically underserved students, the percentage at low risk, and then I have all students. So that answers both of those questions. If you are at a school that has Spanish immersion, you're going to need to do a little bit of addition and go to the second page of the report to add both the DIBELS and EASY-CBM scores with EDEL scores. All right. Our next set of questions we need data for have to do with discipline. And we have to find out total population of the school that has been excluded, and the percentage of historically underserved students that have been excluded, as well as looking at percentage of students who have received stage 2 and 3 referrals this year, and historically underserved students who have received stage 2 and 3 behavioral referrals this year. So I go to the dashboard, and you'll remember there's a new tab that is called Discipline, so I can click there. To get the information for exclusions this year, we have a nice graph right here, the second graph, and you're going to have red bars for 13-14, a clear bar for 14-15, and a blue bar for 15-16. This particular school does not have any exclusions this year, both for historically underserved and not historically underserved. So we don't have 0% is the answer for that for this particular school. And then as I scroll to the bottom, I have a very nice graph that shows stage 2 and 3 incident referrals and percentage of students. So over here, 0.2% of all students have received stage 2 and 3 referrals, and HU represents, again, historically underserved, and 0% of historically underserved students at this school have gotten a stage 2 or 3 referral. So that is how you get your data. Please feel free to email me if you have further questions, Daniel Kogan, dkogan@pps.net. Thank you.